should've stayed down. I can't talk to you, I'm out the way now. Gave up on me back when I was way down. I ain't had no sleep enough for days now. I'm on my way now.
Yeah. What Joe?
So Sebastian.
What's up, my dude?
Hey, fucking good.
Who the fuck's these levers? Oh, your nail came off finally?
Oh, that's fucking nasty.
Oh, let me see.
You took so long to take it off that it's growing out stupid.
Let me see.
Rev it, Sebastian. You can hear the blow though.
You want me?
Yeah. They don't care.
Let me see.
What? Oh.
Can't lick it?
This is it, Juan? Yeah.
Look, for his
This is literally
intake,
the blow off, though.
you just have to undo this. Oh, that one's not even bolted down.
It's this one, it's that one, and it's like a couple.
Yeah.
I seen the video. You gotta fucking figure it
His
out.
is easy. Everything's right here.
Put your finger in there when it opens. No.
What intake did you get, K&N?
Yeah, it's in the
Okay.
front.
Oh, bring that baby
Carb
out.
legal or not carb legal?
Carb legal.
He said,
Oh.
I was about to say. Look, Juan. Look how it opens. And you can feel the air blow.
No, Frankie's getting wet. Look. He said,
What? You got hot in here?
Yeah.
you see it?
I mean, I still have
Sick.
it in the...
We're about to install this bad boy. Your car, on the videos, it looks simple. Your car looked quick.
16 horsepower, you seen that?
Now he's gonna be pushing 1,200 horsepower, guys.
Like 300.
He was at 1,000. How much? 1,174.
Where's the other piece of 1,184.
Right here.
He was at 1,184 horsepower. Plus these 16, he's gonna be at 1,200 horsepower.
Just reuse the two that are connected to...
Does it go on that part? Yeah.
Yeah. And then it comes with the...
Well, it comes with the instructions just in case.
That's it, dude. That's...
Oh wait.
I think we should have waited.
Alright.
You stabbed me.
You guys are gonna wait for the car to cool. It goes like this, huh?
Yeah, we're gonna wait for the car to cool down.
Like you said?
I was about to say.
Yeah, it goes in that one.
You gotta remove this, and I've seen the video too. That should be...
Lalo dropped it, guys. Let me
nothing
see the
happened.
inside. You're gonna suck dirt into his intake.
I got you, baby.
with the ESRs and everything on it?
Damn, I didn't get that on camera. Hold on, drop it again, just
I
for
didn't
the
even
video.
drop it, Sus did.
Yeah, Chewy? That's just mean, dude.
And new clothes.
Where's your card sticker?
Oh,
Did I do it again?
they didn't give me one.
The homie Gizmo. The homie Diego.
What?
Oh, they don't make
I accidentally said Gizmo.
Which one's your car? It's a Malibu, my wife. I got that right now. I do love this car. What are we waiting for?
What do you mean? Well, why are you guys waiting to put it on? For the engine to cool off. That shit's hot as hell.
It's fucking wetted with the hose.
Huh? Yeah, real carbon fiber right here. Check it out.
Drop this on my cat.
No, I'm just kidding, guys. It's just carbon fiber stuff.
cat?
It's not real carbon.
Oh, on your actual cat? I thought you were like your jack or something.
No, my cat.
Alright, so I don't think we had to take this off, but it's easy. It's just 4 little
Wait,
clips.
but the engine's also made out of engine.
Alright, well, I'm out.
Shut up, Chewy.
You guys can use your tools, don't lose nothing.
And this one. Oh no, wait, that's
you
not
were
that one.
doing
That's
it.
power steering. This one's already missing, so you just gotta take that one off.
You know how to do it?
Yeah, and then.
Are you sure?
Oh wait, we don't gotta do this one, huh?
No, this is...
So it's this
and
one,
that 'cause
this
it's connected.
hose.
It's these two.
Yeah,
These,
and then just loosen that one. Where's Lalo going?
Let's try.
Let me see.
Did you see Mike?
You know, people changer? Isn't that the one?
I don't know.
Those two things.
I think that's a radiator.
No, the circle?
A little fat?
Alright guys, so we got most of it off. Check it out, we got the intake out. Look at that fat ass turbo. Nah, I'm just kidding, it's a little baby turbo. It looks bigger on camera. In person it's like the size of my palm.
How much is it? Like 500 on eBay?
Yeah guys, K&N air intake install.
That shit looks cool.
Show you guys when it's done.
Yeah, that's
Alright guys, after 3 hours we got the heat shield in.
3 hours.
Nah, I'm just kidding.
And then I would cancel this shit.
One. Doesn't go no more.
Sebastian's like, what the?
That's what the Teflon's for. You're gonna strip it? No, you're gonna strip it.
I didn't cut it anymore.
You strip it!
Oh.
Okay. Fucked it up. What if I'm trying to resell it? I don't like lava.
Just time lapses.
Same, I hate them.
Say again, no? Shit is crazy.
Look what Lalo did.
Oh, what the? It's about time you did something, fool.
Just throw it away, Sebastian.
Let's put the big
You
one.
wouldn't do shit.
Oh, no, that's part of the song. It's Drake.
The Drake's trash.
That wasn't even Drake. Or what?
Alright guys, the
I don't
intake's
think he
in.
cared.
Carb number. I'll do a sound test for you guys.
Oh shit, I'm
Nah, they won't steal it.
Why the fuck is someone gonna open your hood? Go, Sebastian.
Heat shield in place.
Turn that on.
Hold on.
I want to hear the blow up valve.
I'm about to do a sound test for you guys.
What if it just squirts?
I started up.
Watch it just blow up.
Back up.
Move, Troy, move, just in case.
Grab it.
Give it a small rev.
Give it a small rev. Really?
No.
Give it a small rev. Do it. I can't tell if it's working.
It is. You can
Feel it.
you can feel it sucking the air.
Tell me rev it again.
Do it.
Rev it.
Yeah.
Wait, what? Okay. It's a blow. It's turbo.
Come here. Alright, rev it. Sounds nice. Alright guys, we're gonna do a test drive. Right now it just sounds like, but after like a couple of days or a week,
When you break it in, that's all.
yeah, and you'll start being able to hear like the woof, woof.
So car wash?
No.
Is it cool if I pull into someone's driveway?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck.
What happened? Oh. Nah, you'll be good.
No, you'll be good. They
Stop right there. There's a big ass cave behind you.
Holy fuck.
In this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up. You get me to another level that I ain't ever seen. Got me asking for more, now I'm starting to fiend. Cause in this world, baby, there's a lot of fucking drugs, but you the only thing that could really fuck me up.